Let's be real. Social skills are everything. Whether it's making new friends, getting ahead in business, or even just having better interactions in your daily life. How you communicate shapes your entire reality. Yet so many people struggle with social anxiety, awkwardness, or just not knowing what to say. Well, today, I'm going to break it all down for you. How to improve your social skills and make friends easily. By the end of this video, you'll have real actionable strategies you can start using today to become more charismatic, confident, and socially skilled. And hey, before we dive in, like always, just take 2 seconds to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this advice. So 1. The biggest social mistakes. Before we talk about what you should do, let's go over what you should change doing. Because the truth is, most people struggle socially because of these simple common mistakes. 1, overthinking everything. You are too in your head, constantly worrying about what to say, how you look, or whether people like you. This makes you tense and unnatural. 2, talking too much about yourself. A conversation is not a monologue. If you are just waiting for your turn to talk, you are not actually connecting. 3, being low energy or monotone. If you sound like you don't care, why should anyone else? Energy is contagious. Understand that. 4 would be avoiding eye contact. This is huge. Shifty eyes make you seem nervous or dishonest. Strong eye contact makes you look confident and present. 5 would be not asking questions. People love talking about themselves. If you're not engaging them with questions, the conversation will feel one-sided. Now that we've called out the biggest mistakes, let's talk about how to actually improve your social skills. Building social confidence. Listen, confidence is key in any social situation. If you seem nervous, people will feel that energy. But if you are confident, they'll naturally be drawn to you. So how do you build that confidence? Fix your body language. Stand up straight, shoulders back, take up space. Confident posture instantly makes you more attractive and engaging. Make eye contact and smile. This signals warmth and confidence. A genuine smile makes people feel comfortable around you. Speak slower and louder. Most nervous people talk too fast and too quietly. Slow down. Project your voice and let your words have weight. Get comfortable with silence. Not every second needs to be filled with words. Confident people are comfortable with pauses in conversation. And remember, the fastest way to build confidence is through repetition. Repetition with anything you get better at. The more social situations you put yourself in, the more natural it will feel. 3, the secret to great conversations. Great conversations don't happen by accident. They follow a rhythm. If you want to be magnetic in social situations, use these simple techniques. Like the 80-20 rule I've talked about a lot. Listening. Spend 80% of the conversation listening and only 20% talking. But be an active listener. Nod, react, and show interest. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of, do you like music? Try, what's the best concert you've ever been to? See the difference? Open-ended questions spark real conversation. Find common ground quickly. The sooner you find something in common, the easier it is to bond. Look for shared interests, experiences, or goals. Match their energy. If someone is laid back, don't come in too hyped. If they are excited, match that enthusiasm. People connect with those who reflect their energy. Use the yes and technique. Never shut a conversation down. Instead, build on what the other person says. If they mention a hobby, ask deeper questions or share your own thoughts on it. 4, how to make friends easily. Being social is one thing, but how do you turn conversations into actual friendships? Here's how. Be proactive. Stop waiting for people to invite you out. Take the initiative, plan something, and invite people. Follow up. A lot of potential friendships die because no one follows up. After meeting someone, send a quick message. Hey, it was great meeting you. We should grab coffee sometime, or anything along those lines. Be reliable. People gravitate towards those they can count on. Be someone who shows up and follows through on plans. Show up to the right places. If you want to meet new people, you need to be in the environments where people socialize. Networking events, classes, the gym, meetups, whatever fits your interest. Get yourself in those situations. Give genuine compliments. People love being around those who make them feel good. A simple compliment can break the ice and build rapport instantly. You can do this at grocery stores every single day to random strangers. You will get better at it. At the end of the day, social skills aren't just about talking, they're about connecting. The more you practice these techniques, the more natural and effortless your conversations will become. If this video helped you, smash that like button for the algorithm and drop a comment below. What's the biggest social challenge you faced? Let's talk about it. Let's help each other. Let's overcome these obstacles. Also, make sure to subscribe for more self-improvement content that I drop twice every week, maybe even 3 times soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you on the next one.